Welcome back our online class English 3rd standard. Students, in our previous videos we have studied about 9th lesson, The Dog Ate My Homework. Today's video we are going to start a new lesson, 10th lesson. The lesson name is How Does It Grow? Before going to start this lesson, I want to remind you about 9th lesson, what we have studied in that lesson. Okay, orally, with short, I'll tell you. There was a boy who had been telling lies always in his school whenever the teachers are asking homeworks. Different days he was using different lies to escape from punishment. So one day his teacher called his mother to school and she told everything to his mother, and his mother told whatever the matter was happened in the school, she told to his father, means the boy's father, and he felt very angry on that boy and he put him on restriction. So without completing his homework he cannot go outside. So never tell lies. Okay. So in this video we are going to start 10th lesson, How Does It Grow? So we know different foods we are eating in our daily life. Yes or no? Morning we are eating some foods as a breakfast. Afternoon we are eating different foods as a lunch. And evening sometimes we are taking snacks. And night dinner we are also taking that to different foods. So all these food materials are coming from different plants and trees. Yes or no? Whatever the foods we are eating, all these foods are coming from different plants and different trees. So this is a lesson is telling about different crops or different plants we are growing. Farmers means farmers. Farmers are growing different plants or different crops. In this lesson we are going to read about wheat, rice and maize. Okay, so let's start the lesson. How does it grow? So before lesson there is a starter kit. See, look at these plants. Can you name them? So here some of the plants are there. Can you name this? Okay, first one is wheat. Second one is paddy. Paddy means rice. Third one is maize, and this is cotton, and this is sugar cane. So in these 5 pictures, wheat, paddy, maize and sugar cane, these plants are giving foods, not cotton. Cotton is giving cotton. This cotton we are using for making cloths. Understand? Wheat, paddy, maize, sugarcane. These 4 plants are giving different foods, and cotton, by the using of cotton we are making different cloths. Understand? So these are the different plants. We may see wheat we know, paddy also we know, maize also we know, cotton we know very well, sugarcane we are eating sugar. Wheat, we are using this wheat for making chapatis. Paddy, rice we are eating sometimes. Maize is also we are using for making chapatis. So these are the different plants we have seen in our daily life. In these given plants, these 4 are giving foods. Cotton, we are using cotton for making clothes. Understand? Look at these plants. Can you name them? What do you know about them? Discuss with your partner. Okay. Now you know the names of these different plants and what are the uses of these plants. You can discuss with your friend. Understand? Now we'll start the lesson. So listen carefully. I'll read the lesson. You must underline some of the words. Okay? See, rice, maize and wheat are the most important part of our food. We call them cereals. They are the seeds of different plants. These plants belong to the grass family. We use cereals to feed our farm animals too. Now let's see how we grow these plants. See, rice, maize and wheat are the most important part of our food. See, wheat, rice and maize. These are the very important food items in our daily life. Understand? Wheat, rice and maize are the most important part in our foods, in our daily life food. We call them cereals. In science also we have read about cereals, pulses. Yes or no? So these are the cereals, wheat, paddy and maize. These are all called cereals. They are the seeds of different plants. So all these three plants coming from one plant. All these seeds, wheat seeds, rice seeds, maize seeds are coming from one plant. No, these are the different plants. Wheat, another one plant, paddy is one plant and maize is also one plant. So we are getting all these different plants from different seeds. Sorry, we are getting different seeds from different plants. These plants belong to the grass family. So all these plants belongs to, all these means wheat, sugarcane, paddy, maize. These are what belongs to grass family. We use cereals to feed our farm animals also. See, so we are growing wheat crop in our fields. So we are taking only seeds. So whatever the remaining part is there, that we are using to feed our farm animals like buffaloes, cows, horses, goats, sheep, etc. etc. Paddy also, we can use these plants, not seeds, plants for feeding farm animals, and maize also we can use to feed farm animals. Understand? Next, now let's how to grow these. How we grow these plants. So let us see how we are growing these plants. Okay. See here, cereals means grains like wheat, rice, sugarcane, rye, barley that can be eaten or made into flour. So rice, wheat, rice, rye, barley and maize. We can use these different food items to make different foods. We can grind them or also we can eat directly. Okay. Next, farm animals. Animals like cows, sheep, pigs and buffaloes that are kept in our farms. You know pet animals. So these pet animals, for feeding these pet animals we are using different plants like wheat and maize and paddy. See, now first one, how does rice grow? First we are going to read about rice. How we are growing rice, that we are going to see in this topic. Rice is planted in big fields. We call these fields paddies or rice paddies. They are flooded with water. When the plants are young, they look like bright green, but when they are ready to harvest, they turn golden brown. The tips of the plants have rice kernels. It is these kernels that we eat. People in South India eat rice for every meal. Sam and his family live in Chennai. They eat rice for breakfast, they eat rice for lunch and they eat rice for dinner. We can make from rice many things to eat. Can you name them? Okay. So these are the different foods we are making with rice. Okay. See here. See, rice is planted in big fields. So rice we are growing in very big fields. Okay. These fields are called paddies or rice. So where you are growing rice crop, that area is called paddy or rice field or paddy field. Understand? Usually we are growing rice in very big fields. That fields are called rice fields or paddy fields. They are flooded with water. Means farmers are giving water to the plants. Understand? Farmers are giving water to the plants. Flooded means filled. So they are filling these fields with water. Understand? When the plants are young, they look bright green. So when these plants, after planting these plants, so if you see these plants when they are young age, so that time it was in bright green color. Okay, if you see paddies in starting stage, those are in bright green color, but when they are ready to harvest means to cut and collect the crop. Okay, when they are ready to harvest, they turn golden brown color. So bright green color is turning into golden brown color. So bright green color when the rice plants are in young. Okay, when you are cutting the rice plants, so this bright green color turning into golden brown color. The tips of the plants are rice kernels. Tip means end. Okay, so end of these plants have kernels. Kernels means seeds. Understand? It is these kernels that we eat. So what we are eating? We are not eating that plant. We are eating only the seeds of that plant. Which plant? Rice. Which means we are eating only seeds of rice. Understand? Complete plant we are not eating. Okay? People in South India eat rice for every meal. So South people means few states. Okay? This is southern part of India. Bangalore, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. These area people always they are eating rice for every meal. They eat breakfast, rice. They eat lunch, rice only, and they take dinner, that also rice. Understand? Sam and his family live in Chennai. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is a southern state. Okay. So Sam and his family living in Chennai. They eat rice for breakfast. They eat rice for lunch. They eat rice for dinner. Understand? Sam is a boy and he is living with his family in Chennai. So they are eating rice for breakfast. They are eating rice for lunch. And they are eating rice for dinner. We can make from rice many things to eat. Okay, not only rice, we are making so many dishes, so many food items with rice. Can you name a few? If you know some of the food items that we are making with rice, you can write in your notebook. Okay, and here some of the new words from this today's topic, okay, that I will write here. You just copy down in your notebook and also write down these new words 5 times and also learn spellings. Important and cereals. Next, paddies. Okay, next, flooded. Next, harvest. Next, kernels. So these are the 6 important words from this topic. Okay, you write down in your notebook as a classwork and also write down as a homework 5 times. Okay, remaining lesson that we will see in our next videos. Okay children, take care. Thank you.